Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, all right.
Got trap jumping like fraud.
You know,
2-2-3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Mad Mars Cars back with another one. Yeah, man. Like, subscribe, ring that bell if you haven't, man. Like and subscribe, ring that bell if you haven't, man. Y'all see I'm back like I never left. Like I never left back. I'm back like I never left, man. Y'all can tell, man. Y'all can see I ain't posted a video in like 2 weeks. Man, I ain't posted a video in like 2 weeks, bro. I don't never do that, bro. Y'all know it had been something up. I ain't posted a video in about 2 weeks, bro. You feel me? Man, the Malibu, man, y'all know the Malibu, my slider. The Malibu gone, y'all. I repeat, the Malibu is gone, y'all. Man, I'm gonna throw some clips in to show y'all what happened, bro. But, man, long story short, man, the Malibu total, y'all. The Malibu is total. Y'all, man, I lost control of the Malibu on the expressway, right? Hit the wall at like a 65 miles per hour. Like, yeah, man, like, I ain't even gonna cap like it ain't hurt to lose the car, because it hurt because I put a lot into the car. Y'all been watching the channel, bro. I bought that car from Black Boy, right? But that car didn't have no fuses in it, no headlights, no radio, no speakers. Man, it's a lot of stuff that car didn't have, bro. I put that car all the way together. Man, look, man, I'm on the E-way, right? I'm on E-way doing my thing. No, I'm on E-way doing my thing. So, see, I'm a real defensive driver, bro. I don't just have accidents and get tickets and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And I've been driving for a long time, bro. Like, I ain't just gonna say a long time. I ain't that old. I ain't number 30 years old. But I've been driving for a long time, though, bro. So, I know the ins and outs when it comes to the driving thing, how to avoid accidents and all this. But, man, look, man, I'm on the E-way, right? Doing my thing. It just got through rain, you feel me? A car jumped in front of me and cut me off. So when she cut me off, I hit the brakes. But I tried to go into, when she cut me off, I tried to go in another lane because I didn't want to smash on the brakes. But I ain't had no choice but to smash on the brakes, y'all. When I smashed on the brakes, bro, the car went sideways, bro. I'm talking about sideways, bro. So imagine we already doing 65 miles per hour. I'm already doing like a 65, 70 miles per hour on the E-way. So when that thing went sideways, bro, it was no getting that thing back under control, bro. At all. And no cap, that's really why I don't like front wheel drive cars, bro. Because when they lost control and how it felt, bro, that shit, I mean, excuse my language, how it felt, bro. Bro, that joint was so sketchy, bro. Like, it felt so weird. You know, like rear wheel drive cars, the back end starts getting loose. Man, for the front end, bro, that joint felt weird. So imagine the back end of the car is moving like a rear wheel drive car. That's not good for a front wheel drive car, bro. There's no getting under control of it. And I'm already going 65, 70 miles per hour. And it just got done raining, so the cement is wet, bro. That thing was sliding, bro. Like, man, and I had my dog Chanel with me and all, bro. Like, I'm banged up still right now, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I was in the hospital, seemed like forever. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm blessed to make it out. You feel me? Show y'all the clips right here. Yeah, man. You see, you never know what'll happen, bro. That's why you gotta always have your behind covered, bro. You got to have that full coverage insurance. I don't care what car you in, bro. You feel me? Unless it's a car you really feel like it's not worth it, or you got to be covered, bro. So I'm in a runner right now, man. The Malibu is towed up, boy. You feel me? So I'm trying to see if I'm gonna get a new car or if I'm gonna buy another used car. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't like car notes, bro. I hate car notes, bro. But It's probably time me to get something new. Everybody said I deserve, you know what I'm saying? So it's probably time to go and get something new. All right, shoot, bro. Like, I'm not tripping, bro. Like, I got a little bruised up, you know what I'm saying? My dog got a little bruised up, but, bro, I could have not made it out. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I'm going to let y'all know right now. 2008 to 2008 to 2014 to 2012 Chevy Malibu, but those things are made well. Ain't no way in the hell I hit that wall that hard, that thing, and fold up like a can, bro. You feel me? The windows didn't even bust, bro. I hit the wall at 65 miles per hour, bro. Man, the side airbag supposed to came out of everything, bro. The windows didn't even bust, bro. I didn't even have a seatbelt on, y'all. I didn't even have a seatbelt on. Look at me. I'm here with y'all. You feel me, man? Thank God, man. You feel me? Thank the man upstairs, man. I didn't supposed to make it, bro. You got something better planned for me, bro. You feel me? So I'm here to show y'all what's going on, man. Keep y'all updated what's going on, man. Show y'all why I ain't been posting, man. You feel me? I still been posting shorts, though. But I ain't been posting my car content like I usually do, man. You feel me? All bills still going, you know what I'm saying? All gas, no brakes more. You feel me? We ain't slowing down. We gonna keep going. Can't nothing stop me. Y'all can tell I can't be stopped, man. Only God can stop me. He ain't trying to stop me. So if he ain't gonna stop me, ain't nobody gonna stop me. You dig? I see I'm back at it like I never left, you know what I'm saying? We feeling good. I'm blessed, you know what I'm saying, man? Probably got a new whip on the way. You dig what I'm doing? You feel me? My man Black been on my butt, man. I had to just let him know what was going on. He like, dog, if I ain't know you. Yeah, man, I was messed up, dog. You feel me? Oh, yeah, man, y'all know the LS Swap Cutlass. The LS Swap, my uncle LS Swap Cutlass, man. You know that thing wired up, ready to get fired up, you did. That thing wired up, ready to get fired up, you did. But I'm coming right behind him with a Cutlass, with LS Swap Cutlass as well. You feel me? Trailblazer SC. Man, y'all been tuning into the channel. Y'all know what I got. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know we go all the way through the car on this channel. We don't do no half stepping. You know what I'm saying? Our projects take long because we do the whole thing. You did, man. We ain't just throwing nothing together. We do the whole thing on this channel, dog. You feel me? Yeah. Yeah, we ain't cutting no corners. Y'all be cutting no corners, man. Yeah, man. We see what's going on with y'all, man. You feel me? Live in effect, man. We gonna all bills must be done, man. You feel me? Summer on the way. But everybody, I'm trying to pull up to these car shows, 4-5 cars strong like that boy Dolph. You know what I'm saying? For real, RP that boy Dolph, man. For real, that's how we trying to come, man. All bills must be done, man. Like I keep saying, man, y'all got to stay tuned into the channel. If you've been tuned into the channel, you know what's going on. You know what I already got. You feel me? Like, I see a lot of y'all. I see a lot of guys doing these cars, man, these bills, man. And I see a lot of y'all half-stepping, man. Bruh, these old school, these resto projects, man, these old school bills, bro, they're not cheap, bro. I keep telling y'all that, bro. It's not cheap, bro. Y'all go look at that boy Ike, man. You feel me? Go look at Ike. Go look at his blueprints on Ocean View. See how much he paid. You know what I'm saying? Man, you got a lot of people, man. You feel me? Go to that boy Bot Chevy P, man. Go to Corridor. Man, well, I ain't gonna just say Corridor. Corridor do his thing, but some of his box he ain't went all the way through. But he still know, man, this something cost, bro. All this stuff costs, bro. Everybody who did a project build on the box, a Jeep body, anything, go holler at them and let them tell you how much it costs. And y'all don't racers, man. I ain't even gonna say the don't racers because the don't racers know what's up. The guys who don't have a don't and trying to get into don't racing. Bro, y'all can't even have y'all be struggling with building a Cutlass or something, bro. Like, bro, these don'ts, they ain't not nothing to play with, bro. No, yeah. Don't master all them, yeah. These six-figure don'ts, bro. They having hundreds, $200,000 put up under their hood, boy. They having 454 supercharged and big 6.2. I ain't even gonna say 6.2, bro. I'm gonna put y'all up on game what's going on. They got dark performance engines in their cars. A dark block alone is 3,000-4,000. And they ain't even talking about it. That's bare. That ain't you still gotta put so much more other stuff into it, bro. Like, but dark performance engines are built for power, bro. If y'all don't know now, y'all know I just put y'all up on game. They run dark performance engines, bro. You feel me? If y'all don't know, y'all know now I just put y'all up on game, bro. You feel me? Don't get it wrong. Some guy run the LS swaps and them don'ts. But the one, man, dark performance. Look it up in the assignment, man. Type it in Google, dark performance. Tell me what you think, man. Not playing no games, man. Like, for real, man, like, these bills cost, bro. They cost, bro. And I'm just getting started. I told you I'm just getting started, bro. I supposed to have a 96 SS on the channel. I didn't feel like going to Birmingham to get it. I should have went and got it. I couldn't beat the deal. $5,000. I should have went and got it. I ain't feel like driving. And I always go with my gut feeling. So when I went with my gut feeling, I didn't feel like driving. I'm glad I didn't drive because the dually truck ended up having problems when my uncle started. When he drove, when he came home. So if I would have drove to Birmingham, I would start having problems. Had problems in the dually truck. They had to get a man. It was. I'm glad I did. I want my gut feeling, bro. I always go with your gut feeling, bro. Your heart always knows what's best for you, bro. You feel me? Don't go against what your heart telling you, bro. If your heart telling you to do one thing, you do it, bro. Don't go against it, bro. You feel me? Because I guarantee you going against it, bro, the outcome ain't going to be nice, bro. I'm just telling y'all what I learned, bro. I always want my heart, my gut feeling, and it always worked for me, bro. You feel me? Go with your gut feeling, bro. Go with your heart till you go with, bro. Like, nah, for real, like, bro, I avoided so much stuff, bro. So many icky situations I could have been in if I would not have just listened to my heart and my gut feeling, bro. My gut feeling kept me out of so much stuff, still keep me out of stuff, bro. I don't go out and all this stuff, bro, unless I feel like unless it feels right. If it don't feel right, I ain't doing it, bro. That's how I live now, bro. You know what I'm saying? You ain't doing nothing to get older, bro. The older you get, you gotta think wiser and smarter, bro. You feel me? So if it don't feel right to me, I ain't doing it. That's just how it is. Even with cars, if I feel like the car is not, it can be a car it can be a car that don't look like nothing to you, but I feel like it's gonna be, and I might have a vision, so I get it. But if I don't have a vision, if I don't feel like nah, like that's just how I operate with everything, bro. You feel me? But I ain't gonna talk y'all out, man. I'm just letting y'all know I'm back grinding, man. I'm back on this thing, man. You feel me? I'm recovering, man. You know what I'm saying? They can't stop me, man. Big God said, ain't time, you feel me? Gotta keep going, man. All gas, no brake, man. Mad March cars.